When you've spent your early career working on the electrical systems of a nuclear reactor, you develop a zero tolerance policy for equipment failure. I took that mindset with me into the HVAC world 17 years ago. Today, I'm applying it to a matchup between two popular names in the ductless game, the Gree Vireo Gen3 and the Hykolity multi-zone series. Both of these fall into the premium category in my data, but premium can mean very different things when the summer heat is pinning your electrical meter. Starting with the build, both of these units come out of the gate with a feature I consider mandatory for the field: coated coils. Whether you're dealing with salt air on the coast or just the standard industrial grime of a city, an uncoated coil is an invitation for a refrigerant leak. The fact that both Gree and Hykolity invested in that protection tells me they're building for the long haul. When I look at the chassis and the outdoor fan design, both are rated at 55 decibels. To put that in perspective, that's quieter than a standard conversation. You can set these up right outside a bedroom window and you won't hear it cycling through the night. Technically speaking, we need to look at the efficiency gap. The Gree Vireo Gen3 is pushing a CR2 of 25.5, which is elite for a premium tier unit. The Hykolity multi-zone sits at a 20 CR2. In terms of your power bill, that's a massive difference. Both units utilize a variable speed inverter compressor, which is a big deal for your home's electrical health, because they don't just slam on at full power. You don't get that massive inrush current that causes your lights to flicker and puts stress on your breakers. It's a soft start every time, modulating up and down based on the actual load. However, because the Gree is more efficient, it's doing that work with significantly less total amperage over a cooling season. Looking at the cost, the Hykolity is the budget-friendly way to get into multi-zone cooling. You can pick up an 18,000 BTU dual zone equipment package for around $2,000, with a professional install usually landing between $4,000 and $5,500. The Gree Vireo Gen3 is a different beast. A single zone 12,000 BTU system will run you about $2,300 just for the equipment. If you move into their multi-zone setups, you're looking at an installed price of $6,000 to $8,500. You're paying for the engineering and the higher efficiency rating up front. Before we crown a winner, remember that the most expensive unit in the world is junk if you don't maintain it. These high efficiency coils are dense. If you don't wash those filters monthly and keep the outdoor unit clear of leaves and dirt, that inverter compressor is going to work twice as hard to move heat. Keep it clean and it'll keep you cool. The real nuclear option here is the warranty. Hykolity offers a 1-year parts warranty and a 3-year compressor warranty. In the HVAC world, that's barely a handshake. Gree, on the other hand, backs the Vireo Gen3 with a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. They aren't offering any unit replacement for failures, but 10 years of coverage on the most expensive components is a massive safety net. The verdict is simple. If you are a landlord looking to cool a rental on the cheap, the Hykolity is an option. But for a homeowner's bottom line, the Gree Vireo Gen3 wins this battle hands down. You cannot ignore a 25.5 CR2 rating paired with a 10-year warranty. The energy savings alone will pay back the price difference over the life of the unit, and the peace of mind knowing you're covered for a decade is worth the extra investment.